Hi and welcome back to my channel. So what I'm going to do today is show you how I got that rustic look for my entry table. I started off with spray painting some little houses I found from the dollar store, and I just spray painted them with some Rust-Oleum glossy white. I wanted them to have like a ceramic look to them, so I went ahead and spray painted them a couple times. As you can see, that one has a lot of red on it, so it took a few coats to get it to look all mostly white. I actually didn't end up going with that one, but you'll see how the whole look comes about. So here I'm just cleaning up and taking off all the Thanksgiving festive stuff that I have up in my entryway. And I actually found that table on Wayfair. And a lot of the stuff that I'm going to be showing you, I've kind of just collected over the years. But most of the stuff in this DIY is from the Dollar Tree, and that is pretty gross. My house is super dusty, so I have to make sure I am constantly dusting that table. So I just have a little mixture there, and I'm just going to wipe it down with a microfiber towel. And that is Toby, my Yorkie Poo. And that actually lantern I think we got at a thrift store, and I use it as a door stopper. And so the one thing I forgot to film was the spray paint. I also took that garland. Oh, and then these I found at Hobby Lobby, these candle holders. So there are the little houses. And the fun thing about, decorating is that you kind of just have to play with stuff to see what fits. So the garland I did spray paint also with the same Rust-Oleum spray paint. Just wanted to give it more of like a flocked look. So I found that this Dollar Tree garland, though, was a bit challenging. It was really stubborn. It took a while to kind of get it where I wanted it. Even in this part, it just was not wanting to work with me. Okay, so I was really struggling with this garland. So then I went ahead and brought out some pine cones that we collected when we went on a hike once. And I did spray paint them with that same Rust-Oleum paint just to give them a flock look as well, to make it look like a, wintry white Christmas. I did have this buffalo check ribbon, wired ribbon. It was on my tree last year, so I thought I would just incorporate that here. And I found it at Walmart. And pretty much this whole table was either stuff I had on hand or got at the dollar store, Walmart or Target. So that little sled we found at a thrift find. I did make that sign, and then I had remembered I had this pillow. So I found that pillow at Target in the dollar spot, and that middle candle holder just was not working with the whole sign, and I really wanted to keep the 3 candle holders up, but then I kind of played around with it some more, and I initially thought also I could add this calendar that I have, a countdown I found at Target dollar spot, and it has like different holidays, Thanksgiving, 4th of July, stuff like that. So then I thought maybe if I added more layers, putting the little houses up, or adding the candles that go on the candle holders would work. I just found that I didn't have the right amount of little houses versus candle holders, I think. So I ended up taking out one of the houses, and then I was thinking about hanging the sign, but I decided to take out one of the candle holders and add these bells, and it really just all came together. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and please let me know what you think about this video, and I hope to have some more DIYs for you coming soon. Thanks!